Hi, this is John Sanmez from Pluralsight, and in this module we're going to be talking about collections in Java. And I have to admit, collections are one of my favorite topics in Java because they really help you as a programmer to do a lot more with very little. And they really help you to implement algorithms that would have been very tedious to do without the use of collections. So once you understand collections, I feel like your ability as a programmer really expands. So I'm very excited to talk to you about collections today and teach you how to use them in Java. So let's go over what we're going to cover in this module. Well, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to try to understand collections a bit in general, why we have collections and how they operate. And then we're going to look specifically at how collections are implemented in Java and kind of the general structure of it. We're not going to get too far into the weeds there, but I'm just going to kind of give you an overview of how collections are implemented in Java so you understand where they're coming from and where the different types of collections come from. Then we're going to go through each type of collection. I'm going to give you a demonstration of how to use each type. And we're going to start off with the two most important types of collections that you'll probably use the most in Java, which are list and map. Then we're going to go on to two other types of collections that are not as frequently used, but you should still know how to use because when they are useful, they are really the only thing that you can use to implement the clean solution. So these two collections are called a set and a queue. And all of these collection types, we're going to be discussing the interface, and I'm going to show you some of the implementations. And that'll make a little bit more sense as we get into the understanding collections part. And then finally, I'm going to show you how to combine collections. One really important thing that you're going to find that you need to do in Java is to be able to take different types of collections and put them together. Most frequently, this is going to be done with some kind of map, although also a lot of times you might do this with a list.